Learners, in vocabulary, you will have to avoid repetition, and also in task one, if you want to enhance your sentence structures, you can use adjectives and adverbs. Like for line graph, if you're saying that it dropped or it declined, it increased or it surged, you can use a dramatic surge, right? Surged dramatically, right? Or gradual decline. So adjectives and adverbs, abruptly, abrupt, all of those can come into use. They also strengthen your writing in terms of vocabulary, because you were just saying increase, or you were about to write decrease or decline, but then that word specifies gradual decline. So what kind of decline was that? That was gradual. Was it dramatic? Was it abrupt? Maybe you use that word, that strengthens and that specifies it even more and makes it better. So you can use adjectives and adverbs in your report writing. In your essays also you can use them. Okay. And yes, you should invest 15 minutes in reading, 15 minutes in listening every day, so that you come across those sentence structures, those specific words in use, which whenever they hit your mind, you can bring it into your writing, you can use them yourself too. And you will find yourself confident. Learners, see, this is really common. But then not many incorporate, or I would say inculcate it and bring that into practice in their everyday lives. If you do that, you would see or you would experience a drastic change in your writing. Okay, with respect to these bits, vocabulary, 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes listening, apart from your the time that you're investing in your IELTS preparation. Don't just stick to IELTS listening or IELTS reading. That's a part, yes, you have to. Other than that, also general skills you should work on, so that you find yourself confident enough with these. And those things will be useful in your IELTS test too. Okay. And after this fourth step, the fifth step, what's that? Connectivity. A major miss, a major miss. Connectivity of not just paragraphs. One is connecting the paragraphs, linking the paragraphs one after the other, what's coming every paragraph. So see, this is a part of your coherence and cohesion, that that your body para one should be connected to introduction, your body para two should be connected to your body para one, and your conclusion should be connected to your body paragraphs. This connectivity, along with this connectivity, the other thing is the connectivity within the paragraph, the linking of sentences within your paragraph. That's another thing, learners, that's important and that a lot of you miss out on. You will have to ensure that when it comes to this linkers and connectors that you are using, that's again one part of connectivity. Yes, you have to use cohesive devices, however, moreover, furthermore, although, despite, all those words, yes, you have to incorporate them. They also help you in connecting your sentences, your ideas, and your paragraphs well, yes. But referencing is another important concept that helps you in connecting your paragraphs and sentences within your paragraphs. Words like this, these, it, that, all those words, when you're giving referencing to something that you discussed, that also links and keeps your writing knitted. That's another thing which is important. Do not miss out on this, learners. It's really important. So try your best, not just with connectors, but through referencing also, so that that score that you're missing out on, you can cover that gap and you can fetch better scores in writing, right? Higher scores. So the 5 steps to summarize that I just discussed with you all. Number one, standard structure. And this should be your checklist. When you analyze your writing, this should be your checklist once you've drafted it. Have you followed the sentence standard structure? Have you put the correct information in correct paragraphs? Then you have to check your sentence structures. Are they appropriate and are they varied in nature? They're not similar. It should not seem mechanical, that everything you've written is same and there's no difference or change. Number four, use of vocabulary, strong and varied vocabulary. It should not be same. Like you have to have variety, range of words in use. Okay. Number five is connectivity, which can be done through connectors and those cohesive devices, along with referencing. That should also be into use. So these are the five steps that you should adhere to, you should follow, you should analyze your writing with, and see whether you are up to the mark or not. Right? This is what I had for you for the day learners for today. I'll see you soon in the next session. Okay. Stay tuned with us for more upcoming sessions. Not to forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't, and do like and share this with your friends if in case they need it too. Right? Thank you everyone for watching and joining in.